it's IMEE and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, we're going to make a tutorial video, but not a DIY tutorial, but a tutorial on how to claim your voucher in foodpanda. 100 pesos voucher in foodpanda and gcash. So, kung gusto nyong malaman kung paano siya nag-claim, just keep on watching. So, let's now see the tutorial video. So, una natin gagawin is ipipindot natin yung GCash app natin and ilalagay yung PIN. And after that, ipipindot natin A+ rewards and mapupunta tayo dito. So, as you can see, madami silang vouchers na pwedeng i-claim. So, i-claim nyo na lahat yung available vouchers na yan. So don't forget na mag-alarm. 7:58 pa lang nag-alarm na ako for the 8 o'clock vouchers. So, every 8 o'clock lang ito guys, kaya everyday siya. Tas 1,000 vouchers lang pinapamigay, kaya dapat mabilisan to. Dapat malakas din yung signal nyo sa pag-claim ng voucher na ito. So, in 10 seconds may claim na tayo. Ipipindot lang natin yung claim ng madaming beses. So, ganun yung magpapakita sa screen natin. The system is busy or you are not eligible to redeem the voucher, but of course, hindi tayo papalag dyan. Redeem. Ika-claim mo lang ng ika-claim. And then, after that, i-reload nyo siya. And then, ayan, may na tayong reward dyan. So, as you can see, meron tayong new voucher here. 100 pesos voucher. And we have here the promo details on the screen. And next naman ituturo ko sa inyo ay ang paano mag-redeem ng vouchers. So, punta ulit tayo sa GCash. So, dapat guys, yung GCash nyo may laman siya ha, para pag mag-avail or mag-redeem na kayo ng vouchers nyo, dapat sa GCash kayo magbabayad din. As you can see, we have total of 11 reward coupons kasi everyday ako nag-claim ng vouchers ko. And then, ipapindot natin ang foodpanda, 100 pesos voucher natin. And then, mapupunta tayo dito sa foodpanda app. As you can see, hindi updated yung foodpanda app ko. Kaya, kailangan natin yung i-update. And also, for your GCash app, i-update nyo din. And i-open na natin yung foodpanda app. And mapupunta tayo sa foodpanda app. Yes. And since nagko-crave ako ng Turks, mag-order tayo ng Turks. Ang beef. I want beef. So, we're going to order beef. And then, I want my beef all meat and original. And then, we're going to order 3 pieces. So, i-add to cart na natin siya. After adding to cart, we're now going to view your cart. As you can see, 213 pesos lahat yung orders natin, pero mag-a-apply tayo ng voucher. Yes, i-apply na natin yung voucher, ipe-paste natin yan. Ipe-paste natin yung voucher code natin, and then apply. Charan! As you can see, we have 100 pesos off na. So, 130 na lang babayaran natin, and ayun. So, as the payment method, we're going to click that. Dapat naka-GCash siya. So, i-GCash natin. Ayan. So, after reviewing all your orders and your delivery address, we're now going to place order it. Yan. So, pagkatapos nan ay tapos na tayo. Madi-deliver na mamaya yung ating order in 15 to 25 minutes. Thank you, and that's all. Ba't ang oily ko siya? Okay. So, ayun na nga yung instructions natin kung paano mag-claim and mag-redeem ng voucher gamit ang GCash. So, nandito na yung mga orders ko. Hindi ko na siya na-video kaninang dineliver kasi naliligo ako, as you can see. Basa pa yung buhok ko, no? So, we have here Jollibee, Jollibee fries, sundae, and Turks. So, since katatapos ko lang kumain kanina ng kanin, for merienda naman. So, hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe down below and click the notification bell para palagi kang updated sa mga bagong videos ko. And don't forget to share this to your friends para maka-avail din sila, claim din sila ng voucher nila, 100 pesos off voucher in foodpanda gamit ang GCash app natin. So, I think valid lang siya hanggang June 30. Kaya ano pang hinihintay niyo guys? Mag-claim and mag-redeem na kayo ng vouchers niyo. Kung wala pa kayong GCash and foodpanda app, I'm just going to link down below on the description below yung link. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget, yeah, I already said that. So that's all. Have a nice day and keep safe everyone. Bye-bye.